So let's move back here. Now, first thing I need to do is I need to go stop my HTTP server, and I need to install a module which allows me to make it a WebSocket server. Now in Node.js, there is a npm install, there is a module called socket.io. So socket.io is a library which allows us to build a WebSocket server. So let me install this module. So this got installed. Now I go back here. What I need to do, I need to say const and call it socket.io. So I'll say require socket.io, and we will pass it our HTTP server. So once we do that, this you can say this socket.io becomes our socket.io server. So ultimately, this guy is going to get the channel established with the socket client. So I'll say this dot, now this is a pub sub model. So here I say if this dot on, if any client connects to this on connection, then a function will be called here for that particular client. And this socket is the client socket. Let me call it client socket, right? So this is a simple thing that we are doing. What it's saying is whenever anybody connects to our socket.io server, this will be called when any new client is connected to server, right? And this object that we are getting, this will represent the client socket who is connecting to us. So for now, what I'll do, I'll simply write line here that new client connected, right? So this is what we are saying. And that's it. Our server is ready to accept connections.